Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in today's lesson, we would learn how can we apply colors in the cells, in the selected cells in Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay? So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, before you apply the color, you must know how to select the cell. Okay, so as you know, to select cell you can just click on the cell, particular cells, or you just select and drag it, or you just double click and select the text. Now let's suppose we have selected this amount of cell, this 4 cells. Get it? Now to apply the color, just go to home. In the font group, you'll see this icon, this paint icon. There you'll have a little arrow. Just click on that, and there you'll have a bunch of arrows, and they're different shades. So you can just apply from there. Get it? Just select one. As you can see, the changes. Okay, guys. Now if you wanna apply the color which is not here, get it, which is not here, you just select the cell, go to home, click on this fill color button, and just go to more colors. When you move to more colors, you will get the various colors. Okay, so as you can see guys, here are a lot more color than that. Okay, so you can just select it and press OK, or you can select this custom, select the color, change the intensity of the color, and press OK. So as you can see the changes guys. So that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.